Clampers, mate, I'm just down at Manly Boat Harbour at the moment. Really nice down here. If you do yourself a favour, pop down and have a bit of something to bite to eat and everything else. But I have a geezer at this, right? If you look behind me, a car park for boats, huh? If you want to park your boat, bring it down to Manly. But I'd have to say it costs a bit of a manula. But you never know, it might be for free. I don't think so. Here's a boat now. Just about to get picked up. Get washed, taken care of, put up on the racks. Beautiful. Take a look at this. How cool is that, eh? Imagine if you dropped it. Oops. Down. There it goes. Oh, just imagine it came off. And we got it on camera. Evidence. I don't think it does any damage to the boat, so it's all spongied up and everything else, so it's pretty cool. Well, have a look at how many boats are here. Mate, they've got two sheds, double-sided, and sometimes they've got an extra little outleg like that to squeeze a bit more in, a bit more cash. Those were the days on the jet ski. I miss those days. I still wish I had my jet ski. And if you go down to the Gold Coast, mate, dime a dozen. Throw a stick and you'll find a jet ski for hire. Same with if you go up to the Sunshine Coast. There's plenty of places up there, Noosa, stuff like that. We will visit that eventually, but not right now. Yet to come. Some nice boats here. Lots of money. But, once again, boat sheds, great. Catcha! This is the open to Manly Boat Harbour. It's not too bad, it's quite nice. I've been here before doing a bit of jet skiing. Oh, it's fantastic, especially around out here. You can go out to Tengaloo Island, about there, it's around 16 kilometres. Right where I'm standing now is around 25 to 22 kilometres away from Brisbane. It's not very far away from Brisbane, so if you just pop out here, have a look. There's some really nice restaurants out this way. We have got restrictions at the moment with masks and everything else, but of course, when you eat, you can't really eat with a mask on, can you? You sit there and go, but yeah, no, it's a nice restaurant. It's been done up since I was last here. It's over there. It's quite nice. I'll pop over there and have a quick look and let you know what the food's like. If you have a look around, mate, a couple of jet skis coming in at the moment. It's pretty clear water compared to what was out here last time. I was out here last time and mate, you couldn't see the bottom. So it's quite nice. A lot of boats are coming in. I don't know why. It's a beautiful day to be out in the harbour. But over here, it does get shallow. If you do go out here, make sure you only go out there on high tide. Try not to go on low tide, but just trust me, mate, it's only around that deep. Well, it's not that deep, it's a little bit more. It's around 300 mils. And sometimes, like I said, from just out in the beginning of this area here, it's all mud flats. So there's not many beaches around this area. The only beaches you can really go is up Redcliffe, up that way, or the Gold Coast, down that way. So there's not many beaches here to actually look at, but it's nice around here. The markets are called off because of the restrictions, everything else from COVID, but I'm sure they'll be back, and if they do, I'll come and show you. The Boathouse. It's a restaurant. It's not too bad. It looks like not too bad prices. Here's the taste test. Hey, it tastes like coffee this time, not like warm milk. Right amount of sugar too. Beautiful. Now let's have a look at the cake they gave us. Cake and coffee, 11 bucks. Look, it's what you're going to pay when you come down here anyway. But I must admit, the cake does look nice if it holds together. Oh, look at that one. Oh, am I going to get fat or what? I hope not. Cake's good. Well, that was the cake. It was nice, I must admit that. For $6, actually between 6 and 7. Nice cake. It was very sweet. It wasn't overly sweet. It was a nice caramel taste. Yeah, plenty of parking space out here and nice restaurant. So do yourself a favour, pop out with the family, have a bite to eat, gives them something to do, leaves the kids not whinging and what they always do. I'm bored, I'm bored. So come out, have a look around. It's nice to see. There's a place down here you actually can do your boat licence. And remember, if you want your boat licence or your jet ski licence, boat licence first, then your jet ski licence. So there's 2 licences you have to get first. So, hey, remember I told you about the mud flats? I've only been gone for around probably an hour, and if you look over here, there's all mud flats. Oh, there's a fish over there. If you look all over here, it's all mud flats. Now very shortly, I don't know if you can tell, I'm going to go down without falling down, of course. If you look at me, how far I am, this is the water line. This is how far the water comes up and drops. There's easy 2 meters from between me and the ground. I don't know if you can have a look. See how there's a dark line around here? That's where the water actually goes, and it goes out pretty quickly. Clampers, that was Manly. So come down, have a look around. It's nice. Bring your family out. Your wife will love you for it. See you soon.